Sa'yo, JL. Gusto na.
Hi, I'm Jill Gaston. I'm going to showcase my talent on singing then.
Hi, I'm JL. I'm a trainee of Hospital. I'm JL and I'm a member of GOS.
Oh, cheering na da?
Hi JL.
Hi, JL.
Hi JL.
Hi, JL.
Hello.
Hi, JL. Hello, JL.
Hi JL.
Hi, JL.
Hi JL. Hi JL.
Hello, JL.
Hello there JL.
Ito ay isang shoutout para kay Jay Lauren Crispa. Hi JL, first of all, congratulations on all the accomplishments that you have achieved this year. Nakakataba ng puso. Nakita kung paano ka mag-flourish and mag-shine, just like the shining star that you are. And I know that you'll continue to do so in the future. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Always remember na may sumusuporta sa'yo all around the world. And you may be sleeping, but you will always be the one thing in my heart.
I know that your journey has always been challenging, but you always work so hard, and for that, I'm always so proud of you. You know very well that my support for you is always 100% unconditional, and I will always be here for you. I hope to see you soon. I hope you'll be able to come to the US and perform here. I look forward to your debut with AHOF, and congratulations to this event. Much love from the US.
JM, congratulations on your debut at AHO. From all the hard work, sacrifices, and endless passion you've poured into this journey, this moment is so well-deserved. Your voice, talent, and your heart continue to inspire us every day, and we couldn't be prouder. This is just the beginning, and we couldn't wait to see you shine even brighter. Always remember, we're here cheering for you every step of the way. Keep on reaching for the stars because you were born to be one. Congratulations, JL!
One word that describes JL is euphoria. Hindi mo kanaya. Congratulations again kasi natupad mo na yung dreams mo. Kaya kapagod ka na. Please remember, andito lang kami. And hindi ka namin iiwan always. We got you always. And sana hindi ka magbago throughout the years. As an out JL and as JL yourself.
Welcome back to the Philippines. And you are now back here with us. And congratulations again for winning and for being a K-pop idol na pinangarap mo talaga ever since. We are grateful for the things that you have achieved. And alam kong there are still a lot more greater things that awaits for you in the near future. So I hope you look forward to that. And we will also look forward to that with you.
Congrats ang pagiging G01 mo. Proud ka tinimasin sa'yo at yung lahat na nagmamahal sa'yo. We miss you and we love you. Palagi ka mag-iingat. God bless!
Okay, we love you, Jaya. Come on. Palapan.
Hindi niyo po alam kung pawis or iyak siya. No? Ako din po hindi ko alam pawis po ba ito? Pawis na po guys.